Good day everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you've been looking for an easy fix for car scratches, you may have heard and came across v-vaxy car scratch repair wax. So this product claims to remove light scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation, restoring your car's paint to a smooth and glossy finish. So let us figure out if it actually works. So it's marketed as a quick fix wax-based scratch remover that supposedly removes surface level scratches and enhances your car's shine. So how does it work? So firstly, it cleans the surface where scratches, applies a small amount of wax onto a microfiber cloth or sponge, rub the wax on the scratch area in circular motions. This is basically how it's basically going to be applied. And then you need to also buff it out after it dries to restore shine. Then we have pros of this product. Firstly, we have easy to apply. It's similar to traditional car wax, no professional help needed. It leaves a glossy finish on the paints. It can also temporarily reduce the appearance of swirl marks and minor scratches. Also, it's cheaper than professional scratch removal services. Now let's talk about the cons, of course. It only works on superficial surface marks. Over time, the wax wears off and scratches may become visible again. Many users report that results are not as dramatic as advertised. It's more of a concealer than a true scratch remover. So what customers are saying? Some praise it for making minor scratches less noticeable. Others complain that it does little more than a regular car wax and deep scratches remain unchanged. So guys, final verdict, if you're looking for a quick fix for light imperfections, it might be worth trying, but for the real scratch removal, professional polishing or repainting is still a better option. So if you've tried this one out, let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.